Hello, everyone, and welcome back to TOEFL test preparation. Are you ready to challenge yourself and improve your TOEFL reading skills? Today, we're going to practice the very first reading task. Complete the words. In this activity, you'll read a paragraph with several incomplete words. Your mission is simple. Use the context to figure out the missing letters and complete each word correctly. This exercise is excellent for building vocabulary, improving spelling, and developing the reading skills you need for success on the TOEFL test. So, get ready, stay focused, and do your best. Task 1. In a moment, you'll see the first paragraph on your screen. You will have 2 full minutes to complete all the missing words. Don't worry if some words seem difficult at first. Read carefully, look at the context, and trust your instincts. Ready? Your time starts now. And time's up. How did you do? Did you complete all the words? Now, let's reveal the answers and check them together. As you compare your answers, pay attention to any mistakes. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn something new and improve your vocabulary. Here's the completed paragraph with all the correct words. Task 2. Great work so far. Now it's time for the second challenge. Just like before, you'll see another paragraph with incomplete words. You have 2 minutes to find and complete every missing word. Take your time, stay focused, and remember to use the surrounding sentences for clues. Ready for round 2? Your time starts now. And that's it. The 2 minutes are over. Let's see how you did. Here's the completed paragraph with all the correct answers. Compare your work, count your correct responses, and notice any new words you've learned today. Every practice session brings you one step closer to your TOEFL goals. Excellent job! Whether you answered every question correctly or found some of them challenging, you are making progress. And that's what matters most. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in your ability to improve. If you enjoyed today's exercise, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new TOEFL lesson, tip, or practice activity. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wish you success in your TOEFL journey, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning and goodbye.